Lion Air Flight 610, a Boeing 737 MAX 8, crashed into the Java Sea on October 29, 2018, just 13 minutes after departing Jakarta for Pangkal Pinang. Tragically, all 189 people on board lost their lives. This marked the first major accident involving the Boeing 737 MAX series, a newly introduced aircraft, and remains the deadliest accident in the Boeing 737 family. The accident was caused by a malfunction in the Maneuvering Characteristics Augmentation System, or MCAS, an automated feature designed to prevent stalls. MCAS relied on input from a single angle of attack sensor. On Flight 610, this sensor was miscalibrated due to improper maintenance by Lion Air and its supplier, Extra Aerospace. The faulty sensor fed erroneous data to MCAS, which repeatedly forced the plane's nose down despite the pilot's attempts to regain control. Shockingly, Boeing had not included information about MCAS in the aircraft's documentation for pilots. This omission left the crew unaware of the system's existence or how to handle its failure. On the previous flight of the same aircraft, the malfunction had occurred, but the pilots managed to recover using a checklist for runaway stabilizer conditions. Unfortunately, the Flight 610 crew did not effectively apply the same procedure, and MCAS continued to override their inputs until the aircraft plunged into the sea. The disaster exposed systemic failures. The NTSC investigation highlighted lapses in Boeing's design process, inadequate certification by the FAA, and poor maintenance practices by Lion Air. Boeing's reliance on a single sensor for MCAS without redundancy was a critical design flaw. Additionally, the angle of attack sensor had been replaced with a used untested part before the crash. The aftermath saw global repercussions. Boeing and the FAA issued training advisories and promised software updates for MCAS. But another crash, Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 in March 2019, led to the worldwide grounding of all 737 MAX aircrafts. Investigators called for major reforms in aircraft design, certification, and maintenance to prevent such tragedies in the future. This incident serves as a grim reminder of how cascading errors, design flaws, inadequate training, and poor maintenance can lead to catastrophic consequences.